your Pokemon Go keeps showing your no internet connection 10 while playing the Pokemon Go games, many Pokemon Go users keep getting no internet connection issues on their mobile device. If you want to play Pokemon Go, you must need strong internet speed. If your internet failed to work for your Pokemon Go games, you'd get this no internet connection error. So, after analyzing no internet connection issues, here I present the top 3 proven solutions for your Android device. So, let's get started. Open Setting, scroll down, tap Additional Setting. Tap the Developer option. If you haven't turned on the Developer option, please enable the setting. Now, scroll down a little bit. First, enable the Wi-Fi scan throttling from here. Choose Always to keep mobile data on. After that, check your internet speed and stability. You can open the browser and type Internet Speed Test. Open this up. If you found that your internet is not working well on your mobile device, you can enable airplane mode for 20 seconds and turn off airplane mode. Or you can switch on your mobile network from Wi-Fi to mobile data or mobile data to Wi-Fi. If you still have issues and if it keeps showing you connection timeout, open Setting, scroll down, tap Connection and Sharing. Tap Reset Wi-Fi Bluetooth Mobile Network. Now choose your SIM card that you're using the internet. Now, after following all the processes, from here you need to follow the third process. Open Setting, scroll down, tap Apps, tap Manage Apps, search for Pokemon Apps. Tap on it. Now first turn on Auto Start, tap App Permission, enable Files and Media, go back, now scroll down, tap Battery Saver, choose No Restriction, tap Restricted Data Usage, enable all the setting, tap Force Stop, tap OK. After that, move on and try to play your Pokemon Go games and check your internet problem. After following the process, please inform us in the comment section if you still find any issues. Thanks for watching.